I'm Christopher. In production, been here about 4 years now. This is where we tear down transmissions and rebuild them.
Hi, my name is Brian White. I'm VP of Engineering here at Silver Sport Transmissions. I've been here 8 years.
Hello, this is Slammin' Sam for regular, but been here since 2011. I'm a production lead. I oversee all the orders when they come out and make sure we get them out on time.
Hi, I'm Eric Foister. I'm the design specialist here at SST. I've been here since 2010, and I mainly do SolidWorks and CNC programming, as well as 3D printing and some quality control work.
Hello, my name is Fred Reagan. I've been with this company since 2004. I've helped with a lot of the R&D work through the years. I've run machinery, I've built transmissions, you name it, I've pretty much done it.
Hi, I'm Misty McComas. I worked here at Silver Sport Transmissions since 2009 as the digital marketing architect.
Hi, my name is Jeff Kaufman, and I am Vice President of Sales and Marketing here at Silver Sport Transmissions. I've been selling Tremec transmissions for close to 19 years now, so it's been quite a while.
I'm Jeff. I'm the buyer here at Silver Sport Transmissions. My daily roles are make sure we've got plenty of product and we don't run out of parts.
Hey, Shane here with Silver Sport Transmissions. I am a sales representative and I also do tech support on the kits we sell.
Hi, my name is Michael Anderson at Silver Sport Transmission. I'm the inventory controller here. I handle receiving, machine shop scheduling, RMA returns, and accounts payable.
Hey, I'm Adam. I work production here at Silver Sport Transmission. I've been here for 4 years, and every single day I tear apart transmissions, take the tail off, and bring them right here to cut inside of our Haas CNC mill.
Hi, I'm Dwayne Snap. I work for Silver Sport Transmission. I've been here for 3 years. I take work orders off the board. I modify parts to fit your specific transmission needs.
My name's Ben. I've been here for 22 years. I handle parts orders. I handle all the shipping duties.
Hey, how's it going, guys? My name is Ryan. I've been with the company for about 4 years now. Basically, we are in the shipping department. You place your order, it'll come through our sales guys back to us. We'll pull everything off the shelves that's necessary. We'll get it packed up and shipped out ready to go to your door.
Hey there, my name's Mac. I'm your picker packer here at Silver Sports Transmission. I'm the one that makes sure all your transmissions that get delivered to you get all packed up, all nice and tight, so they have a safe transportation to your location.
Hi, I'm Marquita Schmidt. I'm the CFO of Silver Sport Transmissions, and my job here is to keep the integrity and the financial accuracy of all of our data, but more importantly, I'm a representative of the Wharton Automotive Group that owns us, and also a part of a great team that provides excellent customer service and quality products in the automotive drivetrain industry.
We build transmissions for fast cars. I love putting them in old cars and making people happy when they're out there on the road shifting from gear to gear. They're smiling.
Sport means a good role that I've been looking for a long time. Many years building hot rods, building cars, car restoration. It's a perfect role with 35 years of purchasing experience.
What excites me most about developing new products is being able to create something from nothing, as well as just being imaginative and keeping on trend with what is new and fresh in the automotive environment.
Precision matters a lot in drivetrain performance due to the fact that even if you're off by just a little bit, it can cause major issues throughout the rest of your car. So having good precision in your vehicle, even if it's just simple thing, even a bearing, having good precision in that can really make a big difference.
Why is attention to detail? Oh, because if the details are not correct, the product doesn't fit correctly. So you have to keep things to a certain spec, and it has to be a quality product or no one wants it.
This place, everyone just sort of has their own job that they do or they fill a gap. It's like a transmission. All the gears need to align and work together to make things run smoothly.
Silver Sport's probably going to be heading to a lot of, in my opinion, import style cars. The classic cars are great, don't get me wrong. I love a nice hot rod here and there, but I'm more of an import man myself. I do wish to see a lot of TKXs and some more import cars in the future.
In the future, Silver Sport Transmissions is going to continue to develop new products, continue to be there for their customers, and be the best Tremec Elite distributor there is.
I see Silver Sport being top-notch throughout the years, and we continue improving our products, and customer service is very important to us.
What am I most proud of at Silver Sport Transmissions? That's going to be customer service. We go above and beyond to do the best we can for our customers every day, whether it be putting transmission packages together with the correct parts, helping with tech questions on the phones, packing things carefully, making sure things get shipped out correctly. It's just customer service, that's the best thing.
So it's really important for customers to talk to real people because there are so many variables in these kits and so many variables in the cars that you guys are building. So we want to make sure we get you the right parts and pieces and we get you everything you need and nothing that you don't. Thank you from Silver Sport Transmissions.
Silver
Sport
Transmissions.
Silver
Sport
Transmissions.
Silver Sport Transmission.
Silver
Sport Transmissions.